Have you ever pondered the usage of phrasal verbs in English? You know, those little phrases that can completely change the meaning of a sentence? Well, today we're going to delve into 10 commonly used phrasal verbs, their meanings, and how to use them in sentences. Stay tuned. You might discover a phrase or two you've been using incorrectly. First up, we have break down. Much like a car that stopped working when we break down something, we're examining it in detail. For instance, the teacher broke down the complex equation for the students, or the mechanic broke down the engine to find the problem. Next, we move on to bring up. This phrasal verb refers to introducing a topic into conversation. For example, she brought up the issue at the meeting, or he didn't want to bring up his past. Our third phrasal verb is check out. This can mean to look at something interesting or to leave a hotel after your stay. Examples include, check out the view from this balcony, or we need to check out of the hotel by 11. Give up is our fourth phrasal verb. This means to stop trying or to quit. For instance, he gave up trying to fix the computer, or she gave up on her dreams of becoming a dancer. Moving on, we have look after. This means to take care of someone or something. For example, she looks after her younger brother while their parents are at work. Or, I look after the plants while my neighbor is on vacation. Our sixth phrasal verb is pick up. This can mean to lift something off the ground or to collect someone. Examples could be, can you pick up the groceries on your way home, or I'll pick you up at 8. Set off is next on our list. This means to start a journey. For instance, they set off on their road trip early in the morning, or we need to set off early to avoid traffic. Eighth, we have turned down. This means to reject or refuse something. For example, he turned down the job offer, or she turned down his proposal. Wake up is our penultimate phrasal verb. It means to stop sleeping. For instance, he wakes up at 6 every morning, or I woke up late and missed my bus. Lastly, we have work out. This can mean to exercise or to solve a problem. Examples might be, she works out at the gym every day, or he couldn't work out the answer to the riddle. So, to recap, we've covered 10 important phrasal verbs. Break down, bring up, check out, give up, look after, pick up, set off, turn down, wake up, and work out. We've learned their meanings and discussed examples of how to use them in sentences. English is a complex language, full of nuances and subtleties. But by mastering phrasal verbs, you're one step closer to becoming a proficient English speaker. As always, keep practicing and remember, language is the key to understanding our world. Until next time.